Okay, so here are the tips how to develop your dribbling skills by combination of 3 crossover. Crossover in front, between legs, and behind the back. So have you seen the cone markers there? So this is the guide. Imaginary that these are the opponent. Okay, so first, I'm going to execute the crossover in front. Then to be followed by between legs, then behind the back. And after that, we will do the combinations. First, crossover in front, between legs, then crossover in front, between legs, and behind the back. Okay, so this is the end of our discussion in basic skills in basketball, which is dribbling. So I hope you like it and enjoy. Have a nice day.